High in the Andes Mountains, above the clouds, lies one of the greatest wonders of the ancient world, Machu Picchu. Hidden for centuries and rediscovered in 1911, this iconic Inca citadel attracts millions of travelers every year. Welcome to Peru.
Your journey begins in Cusco, the former capital of the Inca Empire. Located at 3,400 meters above sea level, Cusco is a fascinating mix of colonial architecture and ancient Inca stone walls. Wander through colorful markets, explore Plaza de Armas, and take time to adjust to the altitude. Cusco is not just a stop, it's part of the experience.
From Cusco, head into the Sacred Valley. Surrounded by dramatic mountains and green terraces, this region offers breathtaking landscapes and traditional villages. Visit Pisac Market and explore the impressive fortress of Ollantaytambo. The Sacred Valley gives you a deeper connection to Peru's culture and history.
Reaching Machu Picchu is an adventure itself. You can hike the legendary Inca Trail or take the scenic train through the Urubamba Valley. With every turn, anticipation grows stronger. And then, suddenly, it appears.
Machu Picchu rises between misty peaks in a truly unforgettable setting. Discover the Temple of the Sun, the agricultural terraces, and the precise stone constructions that have resisted time. For a panoramic view, climb Huayna Picchu or reach the Sun Gate at sunrise. It's more than a destination, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
The best time to visit is during the dry season, from May to September. Book your entrance tickets in advance, arrive early in the morning, and prepare for high-altitude conditions. Respect this UNESCO World Heritage Site and preserve its beauty for future generations.
Machu Picchu is a journey through history, nature, and adventure. Would you add Peru to your travel bucket list? Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more travel inspiration from around the world.